If your freshly cleaned PC is refusing to wake up, you're in the right place. First, check the power source. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the PSU and the outlet. Try a different outlet if needed, and don't forget to flip the PSU power switch to ON. Next, inspect all cables and connections inside the case. Ensure the main 24-pin ATX, CPU power, and peripheral cables are snug. Look for signs of power, like LED lights or spinning fans. Try a power cycle. Unplug the PC, hold the power button for 10-15 seconds, then reconnect and power up. Loose screws or debris can cause problems. Make sure the motherboard is properly seated. Test with minimal configuration. Remove non-essential components and power on with just the basics. Reseat the RAM sticks. Try booting with one stick at a time. Ensure the CPU cooler is properly installed. Listen for error beeps or check diagnostic LEDs for clues. Finally, test the PSU with a tester or swap it with a working one. If these steps don't fix it, you might need a pro. Like and share for more tips.